In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, customize, and automate reports in QuickBooks Online. We'll start by building and customizing a report, then we'll turn that report into an automated email that goes out on a schedule, so you and your team always stay up to date without extra work. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and look over to the left-hand navigation bar. Click on the Reports menu. This is where QuickBooks keeps all of its standard reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, and sales reports. For this walkthrough, choose a standard report such as profit and loss from the list. This gives us a solid foundation to work from, and then we'll tailor it to exactly what you need. Once the report opens, go to the top right corner and click the Customize button. This is where the real power of QuickBooks reports lives. Start by adjusting the date range so it matches the period you want to analyze, like last month, last quarter, or a custom range. Next, review the columns in the report. You can add or remove columns depending on what information is important to you, such as accounts, classes, or locations. Now, scroll down to the Filter section. Filters let you narrow the report down to specific accounts, customers, products, or categories. For example, you might filter by a particular income account or a specific department to see only the data that matters for a certain manager or project. Take a moment to fine-tune these options so the report tells a clear story. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Save Customization. A window will appear asking you to give this customized report a name. Choose something descriptive so you'll recognize it later. You can also optionally assign it to a group, which is helpful if you're organizing multiple related reports, like monthly financials. Now let's automate it. Go back to the Reports area and open the Custom Reports tab. This is where all of your saved custom reports live. Find the report you just saved, then look over to the Action column on the right. Click the drop-down menu there and select Edit. In the Edit window, look for the option to set an email schedule. Turn this on to enable automation. Enter the email addresses of the people who should receive this report in the To field. Then, choose how often you want it sent, such as daily, weekly, or monthly, and pick the format that works best for your recipients, either PDF or Excel. When everything looks good, click Save and Close, or Save and Enable if that option appears, to activate the schedule. If you regularly send several reports together, consider creating a report group so multiple reports can be emailed at the same time, keeping your reporting process organized and consistent.